In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Microsoft Forms, your go-to guide for 2025. To get started, navigate over to forms.office.com. Here, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account, which can be a work, school, or personal one. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From there, click on New Form to create a new survey from scratch. Now, let's move on to naming your survey. Give it a clear and concise title. For example, you might want to call it something like Customer Satisfaction Survey 2025. This sets the tone and purpose of your survey right from the start. You can also add a description if you feel it's helpful. This is a great place to explain the purpose of the survey, any instructions the respondent might need, or even a deadline for submission. Keep in mind that a well-drafted introduction can significantly improve your response rate. Once your survey has a name, it's time to add some questions. Click on Add New to start inserting questions. Microsoft Forms provides a variety of question types to choose from. You can select the choice option for multiple choice questions, or use text if you need short or long written answers. There's also a rating option suitable for scales, whether stars or numbers, and date for responses that require a date selection. If you're looking for more advanced question types, consider using ranking, Likert, file upload, or net promoter score. Don't forget the required toggle, which makes sure respondents answer the essential questions before they can submit the form. Customization can make your survey more visually appealing and in line with your branding. You can change the theme or background, adding your personal touch to the survey design. If your survey happens to be extensive, consider breaking it down into sections or pages for better navigability. One exciting feature of Microsoft Forms in 2025 is AI suggestions. This function can recommend questions or automatically improve your wording, making your survey creation a lot smoother. Let's not forget the settings. Click on the More Settings menu, which looks like 3 dots, and choose Settings. Here, you can set who can respond to your survey. You have the option to make it available to anyone with the link or restrict it to people within your organization. You can also tweak response options like toggling the acceptance of responses, setting start and end dates, and even shuffling questions if you want to reduce bias. Plus, you can enable notifications for new submissions. Before you share your survey, it's always a good idea to preview how it looks. Click Preview in the top right corner of your screen. Make sure to test it on both desktop and mobile views, and even try submitting a test response to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Finally, when you're satisfied with your survey, it's time to share it. Click on Share, also found at the top right. You have various options. You can copy the link to send via email or chat, download a QR code for flyers, use an embed code for a website, or even send it through Microsoft 365 apps like email or Teams. Consider using shortened links for easier sharing. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating a survey on Microsoft Forms in 2025.